Hi friends, this video shows how to replace broken display panel of Samsung Ultra HD or 4K TV. What would be the cost of the panel? What would be the service charge and transportation charge? See, display panel of this TV has been broken. I have raised a service request. I got a reply from the service team and they have shared one quotation. So I will show you that quotation. See, this is the cost. So I have to pay 15,102 rupees. So you can see the price of the panel. It is 12,624. So there is a service charge and transportation charge, and total it's 15,102 rupees. So this much amount we need to spend to replace the broken display panel of this Ultra HD or 4K TV. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.